Heron's formula example. Find the area of triangle whose sides are 10 cm, 8 cm and 6 cm. Heron's formula is square root of s bracket s minus a into bracket s minus b into bracket s minus c. S is here semi-perimeter of the triangle. Therefore, a plus b plus c, ABC are the sides of the triangles. Adding all sides divides 2, we get s. Therefore, A is here 8 centimeter, 10 cent plus B is 10, call it as A, B, C. 8 plus 10 plus 6 divided by 2. 10 plus 8 is 18, 18 plus 6 is 24, 24 divides 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are 12 centimeter is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Therefore, this equal to square root of s. S is 12, s minus a. S is 12, a is 8 centimeter. Again s minus b. 12 minus b is 10 centimeter. Again s minus c. S is 12, c is 6 centimeter. Square root of 12, we have to write it as 4 3s are 12 into 12 minus 8 is 4 into 12 minus 10 is 2 into 12 minus 6 is 6. This equal to square root of 4 into 3 into 4 into 2 into 6. 2 3s are 6. Square root of, now pair the same numbers, 4 into 4 into 3, 3, 3 into 3, 2, 2, 2 into 2. Now 4 into 4 is 4, 3 into 3 is 3, 2 into 2, 2. 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24 centimeter square is answer.